Yung binayad namin sulit na sulit. Binasa kami at sinabunan. May plot twist. Hi guys, so for today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon no sa naunsyami or hindi natuloy no na adventure natin sa Legoland Discovery Center dito pa rin sa Hong Kong. So tara, let's go. So itong Legoland Discovery Center guys is accessible via MRT. So baba lang kayo no ng Tsim Sha Tsui na MRT station. Lakad lang kayo ng konti. And as you can see no, malapit lang to sa Hong Kong Museum of Arts or HKMOA, or malapit din to sa Avenue of Stars. Konting lakad lang no. So this is actually the vicinity no ng Lego Discovery Center. According to the website, this is one of the biggest indoor attraction daw no dito sa Hong Kong, and probably also within the Legoland ecosystem. So yeah, makikita natin ito maya-maya no kung ano ba itsura ng loob, and bibigyan din namin kayo no ng mga information about the ticket prices and ano ba yung mga tips no na pwede ninyong makuha, lalong-lalo na kung may kasama kayong mga kids. Okay, so ayan. Kitang-kita na guys, no? Again, this is still part of K11. Itong Legoland. Okay. So, again guys, welcome to Hong Kong Legoland Discovery Center. Wala lang lift guys no, yung access dito. Pero kung pasok kayo through the mall, meron silang access no. Pero since naglakad tayo sa labas, mas mabilis siya dito. So we'd rather go through here and then probably exit na lang tayo sa labas ng mall. Okay. Yan yung makikita natin dito no. So excited na yung dalawang bata. Okay. Hello. Where do we buy tickets? Oh, here. Okay.
Today is 240.
Today is 240.
Yes.
Do you have a special price for kids or is the same? Oh, okay.
The same price.
Okay. How many hours is this?
3 hours.
3 hours.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, maybe we'll have the 240 for the 4 of us.
Nice watch.
Oh, yeah. Where can I buy it here? Do you have it here in Swatch?
I know today have sale. You buy from your country?
No, I buy it also from other country.
Oh.
Yeah, I buy it from Malaysia if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Yeah, but I'm from the Philippines.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ayan, maglalaro na mga bata. Na-excite siya. Scan the barcode. Wow, look. Ang lakas makabata guys no ng area na to. Ayan. So this is inside no the Discovery Center sa Legoland. So yeah, there you go. Ang cute ng mga Legos. Okay, meron pa silang mini trains. Ayan. Toot, toot. Is that a train, Paolo? So this is their mini land. So nag-light yung shoes natin. Paolo, look! Paolo, look! Oh, look! Merong boat, kuya. Look at the boat. So, feeling ko guys, no, minimimic niya yung ambience, no, ng gabi at umaga. Bigla siya naging umaga, nagiging gabi din siya, okay? Meron din silang MRT sa loob, no? Ayan, so this is Wan Chai Station. Di ba? Galing. So, itong buong location na to, para siyang peak tram. So, ito yung the peak nila, no? Ito naman is there, Siksik Yuanwong Taisin Temple. Okay. And dito, galing tayo noong nakarang araw, no, sa Big Buddha. Galing. Meron pang mga dolphins. So ito naman is the Happy Valley Race Course. So, kailangan pala siyang press ng mabalis na marami. Okay, nanalo yung blue. Oh. Di ba? So, ngayon guys, gabi na, no, dito sa Hong Kong, mini Hong Kong, Miniland. So ayan, nakita mo na yung buwan, no? Ayan, no? So as I've mentioned, binimimik nila yung gabi at umaga dito sa mismong area ng Miniland attraction, no? So super galing. Super approved to para sa mga kids and kids at heart. Ayan, so ayan, gabi na, oh. Nandiyan na yung moon. Okay, so you can go inside pa din pala. Holiday na. Paolo, Oli, press mo daw, dali. Press mo. Ano nangyari? Yun, namatay na. Okay. Ikaw sa yellow, kuya. Daddy sa red. Go. Maraming press. 1, 2, 3. Maraming press, kuya, like this. Wala, blue talaga pala mananalo. Okay, so mali kami, guys. Yan yung kanina, ganyan din eh. Okay, let's go. Hindi, wala pa siya. Kingdom Quest. Gift shop, exit. Exit na to.
Yeah, you see, everything you've ever dreamed, every mysterious land,
We have learned to dreamcraft. To do so, we use the power
Legoland
of our
4D.
imagination.
it's really cool! And a big blue bunny! Oh my gosh, she's so cute!
You like it, kuya? Ayan, tapos din guys, no? So, binasa kami at sinabunan. Okay. Apollo, put it back here. Put it back, dali. Okay. Kunin lang natin guys yung stroller, no, na iniwan natin. So sobrang sulit siya, no, for me. Again, minsan lang tayo ulit maging bata, no, and I think the kids will normally enjoy that kind of mga activities, no, or attractions rather. Oh, galing ah. So ano siya, build test. So this is what you call build test, guys, no. So lalagyan mo lang siya dyan, tapos uuga siya, no, ng kusa. Okay, ayan. So check niya kung gumagalaw ba o tama ba yung pagkakagawa ninyo. Ayan, tapos pwede mong increase yung intensity. Ayan, di ba? Ang galing, oh. Di ba? Oh, nice, right? Ayan. So pwede mo naman siyang stop. Ayan. Oh, you build. Ayan, turuan natin si Paolo paano mag-build ng car. Oh, how many wheels do you need? Diba 4? Oh, game. Oh, next. Go inside. Oh, dali, oh. Oh, remove your shoes. Oh, remove your shoes. Oh, go. So what this is, they call Fire Academy City. So it's like a bigger playground. Walang, I think sobrang na-excite ako, pumasok ako sa loob. Hindi lang talaga ako guys kasha. Pambata lang talaga siya. Han, ano binubuo mo dyan? Ay. Sabi ko kanina guys, no, ang sarap makabata o ang lakas makabata, no, yung lugar nito. So tingnan niyo yung mga designs or mga creations dito, no. So, I think this is like a Big Ben. Ayan, and there's also a big airplane hanging, no. It's an aircraft. Okay, you also have there the dragon. Yan, so dito tayo sa Merlin's Adventure. So nag-uusap kami guys, no, kasi baka ang mahilo yung mga matatanda. May plot twist. Ako yun. Yeah, 4. Doon sa other side. Doon tayo sa kabilang side. Let's go here. Here we go guys. Lagay natin ito. O, bitawan natin. Okay, so here we go. Merlin's Adventure. Let's go. So time for hilo. Woo! Start na. Oh! Yay! Ayan. Wala tayo makita, no? Ayun! Ollie, are you okay?
Yes, it's like...
Isang bagay lang yung masasabi ko sa inyo guys, no? Itong rides na to ay pambata talaga. Han, gusto mo pa na isa pa? Yeah, we can go on.
Supposed to ride and then you will go out.
Yes. Okay, so since wala naman nakapila, ayan, meron tayong second round. No.
Hello, hold lang.
Okay, tapos na. Again, okay na guys. Okay na yun. Sulit na sulit, no? Yung binayad namin sulit na sulit. Okay, let's go. Ayan. Okay, next stop. Itong area naman na to guys, medyo pang girl siya. Or kumbaga girl-inspired no na Lego. Because as you can see, meron silang mga models no na mga babae no, strong women para ma-emulate no ng mga kabataan. So again, very good no for Lego to do that. No, at an early stage. Yes, kailangan turuan natin yung mga anak natin no. To make sure no na nare-recognize yung women power habang bata pa sila. Meron din silang, ano bang tawag dito? Ayan, so Lego minifigure trading. So, ang instruction, bring your own Lego minifigure, find the minifigure you want to trade for, reach out to our team members to trade, and share your Lego minifigure on social media. Okay, so you will most likely, I think, itong mga figures nito guys is mga parang occupation based and also mga superheroes. Okay, so it's all combination all together. Okay. So pwede rin kayong bumili no ng 75 board no na activity packs. I think the amount of 75 is roughly no nasa 500 pesos or 560 pesos. Okay? Yung kanina pagpasok nyo doon sa loob, you will be given a cash voucher, and the cash voucher is $20 each, and you can actually have this exchange or redeem doon sa gift shop. Again, hindi kasi siya pwede sa coffee shop no, but you can use this on the gift shop location. Okay? So, yeah, might as well, di ba? Use it na lang para if ever meron kayong magustuhan, di ba? So, meron pa kayong extra souvenir or meron pa kayong mapagbibigyan na pasalubong for the kids. Dito sa loob ng Legoland, no, meron silang coffee shop. And nandito siya sa bandang dulo. Ayan. So, sa loob ng coffee shop, of course, pwede kang bumili ng anything, no? Na kape. Meron din silang mga juices. Meron din silang soft drinks, okay? So, check natin kung ano yung nasa menu nila. Okay. So, they have the mini pastry combo for $40. They have the Lego family set for $95. Again guys, no, meron ka ng kasamang Lego box, no? Okay? And kasamang dalawang tinapay. Okay? So sa snacks, you also have it there. Muffins, hot tea. Meron din silang binibenta na pasta and rice. And meron din silang 9 inches, no, na pizza. And I think they also have their ice cream. Häagen-Dazs. Okay, so this is the drinks. Yeah, so this is made by Minute Maid. Okay. So ganito yung tsura ng Lego box nila. Also have Kinder Joy, Bueno, and Pocky. Yung Lego box nila ay merong 4 na kulay. They have the blue, they have the red, they have the pink, and they also have the purple. Okay. And do you serve coffee? Coffee, right? Do you serve coffee? Okay. And they have also coffee. Coffee of real Starbucks. Yan. So, bumili tayo guys no, ng Lego family set. Ayan. So, para meron silang remembrance dito.
The bacon, so you just have the muffin, chocolate or blueberry. Out of stock.
Out of stock.
So now you just have the muffin. Can join the set.
But this one you can join. Same price.
Same price. 2 pieces for mini size.
Okay, for this one, 2 pieces also.
1 piece.
Ah, 1 piece.
Then one.
But the size is bigger than the
Bigger, okay. So, okay, we can get
it's
one
normal
each.
size.
Alright, we can get 1 each. Another one. Wow, merong blueberry pala to sa loob eh. Yan, nag-enjoy sila no, ng chocolate na muffin and a blueberry muffin. Oh. Oh, go, Olio, use this. It's a gun. You like that? Whew. So nakakatuwa guys itong ano no. Itong experience ito. This is called the Kingdom Quest. So again, pambata siya pero again, good siya for family bonding. Okay? So guys, ayan no, nakita nyo na yung laman or loob ng Lego Discovery Center. Sobrang saya no na meron na silang mga ganito activities ngayon dito. Of course, maganda to because it allows your kids to have more creativity, no? So makikita nila doon kung ano pa yung dapat na i-create. It allows them, you know, yung initiative and all the uniqueness no na mailabas sa kanila with this kind of activities dito sa Hong Kong. Okay? So again, kung tatanungin nyo kami kung sulit ba to, for me, personally as a parent of 2 na makukulit na kids, this is super okay and super sulit na no for a 250 Hong Kong dollar or sabihin mo na give and take man sa 1,400 or 1,500 pesos. And again, maganda siya because bonding na rin ito guys para sa inyong family. Minsan lang naman to no, and might as well sulitin na lang ninyo. So because of that, i-end na natin tong vlog na to and I hope nagkaroon kayo ng chance na makita ng buo itong Lego Land Discovery Center kahit hindi pa kayo umaalis ng bahay ninyo or kahit nakaupo lang kayo dyan and sitting pretty sa inyong mga sofa. Okay? So, again, please watch, subscribe, and share our channel para makakuha pa rin tayo no, ng maraming magandang reviews and mabigyan pa rin namin kayo no, ng mga actual na experience namin habang nag-travel. So, see you again guys and ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. And guys, oh, kung gusto mong bumili, 99 for a smaller cup and 179 for a larger cup. Okay, so you can have a mix and match of any sizes and colors that you like, no? Again, pwede din siyang pang gift set. Okay, so 99 is like mga 700 pesos. May ilaw siya. Ito pwede rin guys, no? Build your own minifigure. So only for 99. So tatlong minifigure or 700 pesos. Okay, so you can have a mix and match of everything. Ayan, di ba? So meron sila mga 139 na figurines. I think really cute.